Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Inyangeni ezedlule sabona ivideo eyayivezwe ilamaphepha ngesonto, ngazi Sunday Times noma Sunday World, iveza abantu ababeprinta izikipa zibhalwe PM27 savumelana. Kwase kuvela indaba zokuthi uDr Patrice Motsepe uyena oprintisa lezi zithombe ngoba unenjongo nenhloso yokuba upresident walelizwe lase-South Africa, kusho ukuthi ANC sekuvuleka ithuba lokuthi bavotele umuntu ozoba upresident olandelayo ngo-2027 uzobe ngomunye wama-candidate. Sithe sisanake lokho, kwavela abantu abanjengo-Prince Mashele baqinisekisa lokuthi ngempela nguye uDr Patrice Motsepe. uPrince Mashele akakushongo kwi-platform eyodwa, ukusho kuma-platform ehlukene ngesikhathi ekhuluma kanje.
Yeah, you see, I've said this before. And by the way, Motsepe is very busy now. I happen to receive this information before others get it. Don't ask me where I get it. I've got pictures of T-shirts that they are printing in the ANC. It's written Savumelana. We have agreed. And it's got PM, which is Patrice Motsepe. The printing machines are busy now. Printing Motsepe's T-shirts. So Motsepe wants to be president, but his mistake, and I've said this before, is to think that in order for him to be president, he must use the ANC. He's using a dead horse. He wants to enter a race and he picks a dead horse. It's not going to run anywhere. It's the biggest mistake that he's making. He's going to destroy himself if he gets into the ANC. That's number one. Number two, I'm smelling a rat about Motsepe and what he's doing in the ANC. And here is the rat I'm smelling. There is a scheme, I think, that has been concocted by Cyril Ramaphosa. Because Cyril Ramaphosa knows that he's exiting. And he does not want the ANC to be taken over by a leader who might arrest him. Because there's Pala Pala, remember. Actually, if you had a proper government after Ramaphosa is supposed to go to jail. And he knows that. So what does he do? He talks to his brother-in-law, Cyril Ramaphosa, hey, I will influence dynamics in the party for you to enter and take over. The deal is, you will protect me. I mean, do you think if Motsepe were to take over as the president of the ANC and the president of South Africa, do you think he would allow Ramaphosa to be arrested? Hell no. These people are blood relatives. There is absolutely no way. So Motsepe actually is a bad guy. He's not a good guy in the context of the ANC politics and the rot in South Africa. He would never reverse the rot because he would be beholden to the faction of Ramaphosa and protect that faction. And you know what we need in South Africa after 2029? You need a proper government that must descend very hard and mercilessly on the political criminals of the ANC and others, including Ramaphosa. Motsepe would not do it. So South Africans must not be fooled by this Motsepe thing. It's not going to fix anything. Of course, he has a lot of money. He's going to pump a lot of money into the campaign. But South Africans must wake up. Motsepe is a bad guy in the context of the factional politics of the ANC. He would not rescue our country. And we must be very clear about it.
Ngoba umuzwa kuPrince Mashele la wakhuluma waqinisekisa ukuthi impela le campaign eyakho Dr Patrice Motsepe futhi umuntu behind yonke lento uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Kodwa lo muntu usho njalo futhi akasho ukuthi uyacabangela noma ukhuluma njengomuntu oneshow ngoba uthe yena uthola information if information efika kuqala kuyingakafiki kwabanye abantu, okusho ukuthi lezi kipe sasizibona nalezi ezazibhalwe PM27 ziprintwa inqwaba izikipe ezazibhalwe PM27 savumelana. Ngaze ngathi mina kodwa lo PM27 ungammela noPaul Mashatile ngoba phela yena ke siyamazi, kodwa singammela noPaul Mashatile, kodwa ke kwakucabangela kwami ukuthi why vele sikhethe ukuthi eka Dr. Patrice Motsepe. Ekwenye futhi platform waphinde wakhuluma kanje.
Patrice Motsepe.
PM27.
Yeah, PM27. He's busy printing T-shirts now. And he
I
wants
don't
it.
think it's him. I think it's
No, it's him. I can tell you. Who's paying for it? Who's paying for it? Who is paying for it? I mean, we know the ANC is broke as a part, right? So who is forking out? Because there's money behind the T-shirts. Somebody is paying for it. It's him. He's using his stooges. He wants that job. And by the way,
Do you think he wants it?
Of course he does. I know that he has been working on a presidential project for more than 10 years. That's how he has been getting close to ZCC. He has been getting close to traditional leaders. This guy has been working on this project for many years. His mistake, and I said it before, was to think that he will do that via the ANC. And the ANC is a dead horse. Anyone who wants to enter a race using the ANC as a horse, you are riding a dead horse. In fact, by the way, you're killing yourself. So if Motsepe, for some reason, gets the leadership of the ANC, let me tell you, he will regret the day he was born. He's not going to get that job. And they will actually be buried with the ANC. So here, the prospects for the ANC are terrible. Add to this scenario, if something were to be born in the political space, bringing together the best of black people and the best of white people. Because that is the only politics that South Africa has not experimented with. Let me tell you, historically, the ANC, South Africa has had two politics. The politics of white people that excluded black people. You had the politics of black people from 1994. You can say whatever. It was the politics of black people, the ANC politics. That didn't work for all of us. The only politics we haven't done is a joint politics of black and white people. If you were to have a group of black South Africans, the best among us and the best among whites, joining hands together, let me tell you, they would knock the ANC off its perch.
Alana futhi ukhuluma njengomuntu oneshow, hayi ukuthi into ayicabangelayo, uneshow ukuthi lo PM27 oka Dr. Patrice Motsepe lapho kwenza izinto zaba wes khona engesikhathi no CIC eshinto efanayo yena wakhuluma kanje.
Patrice Motsepe is a candidate for Cyril. Cyril's people are supporting Patrice. And Patrice's candidate for SG is Ntuli, the chief whip. Mdumseni Ntuli. So I'm bringing Mdumseni Ntuli so that I make your job easy, because I know you can be living here trying to think, what is he talking about now? Mdumseni Ntuli was a candidate for SG for Cyril at the last conference. And Mbalula won against them. He was a candidate against Mbalula. A candidate for Cyril. So Cyril's lineup was Oscar Mabuyane as deputy president and Mdumseni Ntuli as SG. Now Oscar says he wants to come back. He's going to come back on that lineup of Patrice Motsepe as deputy, and Mdumseni Ntuli will be the Secretary General. And if they lose this conference in 2027, they are going to form a new party, the Patrice Group. That's what is going to happen.
Ile Mbalula sowakhuluma ngakho ke openly ukuthi lolu daba lo muntu ozoba upresident balivalile, akuvumelekile ukuthi noma ubani oyimember ANC akhulume ngalo manje. Lo nyaka unyaka ba focus ukuthi ANC regaina kanjani amandla, babuyise amaward laba bawaluzile, ngoba inhloso yabo ukuthi bawine kulama local government elections azayo. Manje abafuna ukudunga ingqondo zabantu. Abayifunda nje ukuthi kulonyaka yenzeke ukuthi kufocuswe kakhulu kuma local government elections. Waze wathi uMbalula uma ngabe uMtsipe eyithanda ngempela ANC akafaka imali ukuze bakwazi ukucampaign, akafaka imali bekwazi ukucampaign, hayi lento abayishoyo ye-PM27. uDr. Patrice Motsepe angazi ube kuphi, kodwa ngibona ivideo yeNewsroom Africa yayizolo. Angazi ukuthi uDr. Patrice Motsepe ube kuphi, kodwa ama-journalist ambuzile ngalolu daba wayeseyaphendula. Ngifisa nje ukucaphunela impendulo yakhe bese siyayivala ivideo, ngoba kuso sonke lesikhathi bengakakhulumi yena. Sonke lesikhathi kuvela ivideo ePM27 savumelana kuprint ikipa, kwavela uPrince Mashele kuma platform awu2 noma u3 ehlukene ekhuluma into eyodwa ethi uDr Patrice Motsepe uya campaign, kwavela uFikile Mbalula wathi livaliwe ivaliwe lonto le yayivuliwe. Kwakhuluma uCIC, yena ubelokhu ethule sonke lesikhathi. Manje naye kube kuhle kakhulu ukuthi ama-journalist ambuze aziphendulele, yena mayiphendula uphendule kanje.
The best place for us to make this contribution is outside politics. You know, I said this 20 years ago and I said it 5 years ago. The minute you run for votes, you lose sight of the broader objective, the broader benefit for all South Africans. So let me go back to my shareholders. Please, I have a duty to answer these questions to you because I'm chairman of African Rainbow Minerals, a company we started many, many years ago. But let's try and do what I do. I ignore these things. You know, it's false, it's unfounded. I would never go and fund people to buy skippers. PM27 could also mean post-meridian. I don't know, it means...
Zikhulumele kuDr Patrice Motsepe, etshela ama-shareholders we-African Rainbow Minerals ukuthi awakhululeke, akuyena, futhi yena akaqala ukisho lento ukuthi yena angacontribute, ubona ukuthi angacontribute kangcono kwi-South Africa, not ngokuthi abe upresident. Angacontribute njengaphandle kwepolitiki, njengoba kuthiwa wakusho lokhu 20 years ago. Ngiyakhumbula ngesikhathi ubaba lo Tokyo Skhwale wayekhuluma no Clement Manyathela, if I'm not mistaken, embuza ukuthi uDr Patrice Motsepe wathi no, lo muntu lo ngo-94 wathi yena akahlanye. Masimbuza ukuthi uyafuna na ukungenela ipolitiki, mhlawumbe abe upresident noma neposition ethize, ngoba siyazi ngaleso sikhathi wayeseyimember ye-ANC egcwele nephelele. Wathi yena akahlanye, ipolitiki nje ayimlungela, akahlanye. Bebelo bembuza kuma conference ahlukene lo besho yena, futhi uke washo nangaphambili wathi South Africa ayidingi upresident oyibillionaire. Eqinisweni lilonke iSouth Africa idinga political will, inama policies amahle. Yabona uma ungabheka ama policies namabhili aphasiwe lapha eParliament, kungenziwa into eziningi. Inkinga nje, there is no political will. Tesha iSouth Africa ileyo, there is no political will. Bengithi angicacise le ndaba kaDr Patrice Motsepe emveni kokubona le video yakhe. Usho ukuthi at least uFikile Mbalula uzolala manje ekhululekile, azi ukuthi hayi into ebeyimenza ukuthi angalali le yalezi gipa zika PM27. Dr Patrice Motsepe useziqelenanisile yena nazo. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.